You can apply for a seasonal worker visa to come to the UK and work in horticulture, picking fruits and vegetables or flowers. You can also come to work in the poultry. This is an amazing opportunity from the government of the United Kingdom, asking foreigners to come into the country to work in the horticultural sector as well as the agricultural sector. This visa is one of the easiest because it has a very low requirement. You do not need the English language requirements. You do not need any qualification to apply to this program. You don't need to bother your head about a lot of documents to apply for your visa. It is absolutely made easy. So guys, if you are willing to move to the United Kingdom in 2025, this is an opportunity for you. The government of UK has announced 45,000 seasonal workers visas available to be given to foreigners from any country you are. In this video, I'm going to give you important things you need to know about this visa, how you can get your visa sponsored, all expenses covered by your employer, and I'm going to show you the employers that are willing to give visa sponsorship to foreigners. I'm also going to share with you the eligibility criteria and all the juicy details. So guys, before we dive right into the video, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Here I give you the real deal. If you really want to move abroad, subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I drop videos, YouTube will notify you. Sometimes I drop videos and within few hours, a lot of people rush at it and it gets closed. Please guys, do well to like this video. Please show me some love by liking this video. Please, it is free to like the video. Just click on the thumbs up. And I really appreciate all that you do. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. If you have any question, any comment, please drop it in the comment section. Without further ado guys, let's dive right in. So as part of the UK government effort to maintain food security and support the agricultural sector, the UK government has allocated 45,000 UK seasonal work visa for 2025. This visa is targeting the agriculture and poultry industries. This initiative addresses labor shortages that have impacted British farms and aims to sustain food production. So the government is recruiting seasonal workers from abroad, ensuring a steady supply of labor for agriculture and poultry. So if you are interested in these two sectors, 2,000 visa has been allocated for the poultry industries, while 43,000 has been allocated to the horticultural industry. Guys, this is a massive one. All you need to do is to get a job offer and you apply for your visa directly. You need to apply for poultry seasonal worker visa latest by 15th November, but for the horticultural visa you can apply at any time of the year. So you want to go for that if you need to get into the UK quickly. So you would need to have a sponsor, that's your employer, and you need to meet other eligibility criteria. So the visa application costs €298 and you can stay as long as 6 months for the horticultural work and 3 months for poultry work. So you want to choose which one suits you best. So they said you can enter the UK as soon as your visa is valid, up to 14 days before the start day of your job. So now guys, let's check the eligibility criteria. For you to be eligible for this visa, you must be 18 years or over when you apply and have both of the following: a certificate of sponsorship, reference number from your UK sponsor, and enough money to support yourself in the UK. You would need to have €1,270. Guys, you don't need to bother your head about this money because your employer is allowed to sponsor you. But if you have the money, you can decide to sponsor yourself and relieve your employer of this burden. If you don't have this money, you want to look out for employers with visa sponsorship. and I'm going to show you in a jiffy some of the employers you can apply to. You can see this caveat: you will usually need to show proof of this when you apply, unless your sponsor can cover your cost during your first month in the UK up to 1,270 euros. So this is just UK asking you to show them this amount to take care of yourself, at least for the first month you enter into UK before you start getting your salary. So the UK government is also allowing your employer to sponsor you if they are willing to. So what you need to do is to look out for employers that can give you this job with visa sponsorship, that can help you take responsibility of this particular amount of money. So if your employer is willing to offer you certificate of sponsorship, you would not need to show this proof. So right now, let me show you some of the employers you can start sending your CV, your application to. Guys, I have a good number of these employers, but I don't want this video to be too long. Some people are complaining that my video gets too long, so maybe later on I'll drop some other. We have the gsfresh.com. This employer is known for recruiting seasonal workers in the United Kingdom. Guys, it is one of the authentic employers that recruits seasonal workers in the United Kingdom. So you want to try them out. So guys, I'm going to drop the link in the video description. We have opportunities at our East Anglian sites in agricultural work such as planting, harvesting and packing. This is mostly manual work and involves a considerable amount of walking, bending and lifting. So we work outdoors in all weathers. Seasonal contract lasts between 3 to 11 months. So that's the contract they are going to give you, between 3 to 11 months, and there are no fees for applying or for employment. The job offer is absolutely free, and the roles require you to be physically fit, on your feet and moving all day, self-disciplined with a repetitive task, quick and able to work full days. So guys, of course, they would definitely not get this kind of labor easily in the UK. You know, for people that are already there, they would not want to go for this job, but you can use this to build your profile and get a permanent job eventually. So there's field-based operator, and this work is agricultural and is based outdoors. So you are going to do the work all out, and you will be planting and harvesting a variety of salad and vegetable crops. And there's another one, production operators. This work includes grading, trimming, labeling and packing salads and vegetable crops. So if you would like to either plant the vegetable crops, or you would like to trim it and package it, so anyone you want to apply for. They also offer skilled jobs, but that is not for the purpose of this video. You can also check that out. So for the purpose of this, let's try to check the field-based operator. Find full or part-time job in Scotland, England and Wales. So what you want to do, click on start now. You want to come down here and create an account so that you can be able to navigate the website easily. Then you click here and find the job. So you want to come right here and click start now. So when you come here, you come right down and click on create account. So you want to set up your account with them so that you'll be able to navigate the site easily. So after that, you have to find, when you enter your details, you'll be able to verify your email address, and you're going to click on go to your account. You can search for jobs
your activities, you can view it, and your CV, you would be able to manage it, upload and re-upload. So you want to click on search for jobs. So when you click on the advanced search, you want to come right here and try to set some parameters. Most importantly, you want to select the category agriculture, fishing and forestry jobs, and you want to select temporary. So you want to come right here and click on search. So you can see here, right here, farm worker, this was just posted, production field worker, agricultural worker and all of that. So those are the kinds of picker, PPT. So those are the kinds of jobs we are looking for. Let's check the farm worker. So the closing date of this application is 1st of January, so you still have an ample time. You want to apply, click on apply for this job. Just click on continue with your application. Then you're going to fill this form. Thank you for the opportunity to apply for this job. I believe I'm the perfect candidate for the role. Please see my CV attached. So you already have a generic message here. Just insert your full name, your email address, then you attach your CV. It's as simple as that. You have applied to this job. I have a lot to say about this particular program, but I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to drop some other websites you can submit your CV to, and I want you to take advantage of this opportunity. You can see that it's so easy to apply. Just send your CV to them, and as soon as you get your certificate of sponsorship, go ahead and apply for your visa. Guys, I wish you the best of luck.